Hi everyone, my name is Philippe Aumet. I have been studying in business management for 2 years now at Onsic College. What's business management? Business management, it's all about running a company. So, all the aspect like organization, planning, recruiting, production, communicate with client. And, and as you probably know, English is the business language, so you need to be fluent and to be confident in English to do well. So I'll show you today a website that will help you with your English, especially with your writing English and pronunciation. So you just click on a new tab on your computer and write down the website URL, which is writingtutor.com, and click on the first link. You'll appear on this page. As you can see at the top of the screen, there's the logo and some icons. But what's important for today, it's the navigation menu and the text area. So in the navigation menu, you'll be able to click on the option check my grammar, check vocabulary, and check spelling. That will help you to correct the text you just write in the text area in the middle of the screen. So I'll write down, I've been studying in business management for 2 years now. I put 3 S's for the example to see what the website proposed me. Now I want to correct my text, so I'll click at the bottom of the screen in the middle on the check my grammar. So as you can see, it says my error count 1, my word count 9. So my error was that I put the 3 S's at businesses. So there's the feedback, possible spelling mistake, and the suggestion. I wanted to write business in my case. So I'll just erase an S's, delete an S's. And after correcting my errors, I will check on the right hand side of the screen how to spell it. So I'll click on the little icons here. So the website just tell me how to spell, how to tell my text, and I will be able to communicate well